Hi, this is Carl. I'm in my M6 Gran Coupe F06. It was a DCT gearbox. I've noticed if stop start's enabled, and I'm one of those few people that do actually like the stop start system to work. So I've noticed a noise when the engine starts itself. Again, you know, when you lift off the brake. So I'm currently holding on the brake. I've been driving, the car stopped. Now as soon as I lift off the brake, I've noticed like a knocking noise. It's as though the gearbox is vibrating against the transmission tunnel. So hopefully it'll get picked up by the microphone. So here I am holding the camera over the center console, armrest, storage tray, whatever. And I'm going to lift off the brake and hopefully you'll hear the clunk after the engine starts. Okay, so I'm just going to hold the phone against it. You ready? So, did you hear that at the end? So, engine start and okay, that was a pretty poor impersonation of the noise, but I'll drive a bit more and see if the car will stop again. Obviously, it won't stop start. It won't stop the engine every time I come to a stop. I need to drive a little bit first, or you know, get a bit more charge in the battery or whatever. But we'll see if it'll stop again now. Okay, it stops. So, right, no worries. So, okay, same thing again. I'll rest the phone against the transmission tunnel this time, and I'll just lift off the brake. Okay, just sounds a bit dodgy. I'm just wondering if that's normal, if other people got the same noise. It's not going to be like the centre support bearing because there's no movement in the drive shaft, prop shaft. Obviously it could be transmission mounts or something, or maybe it's just normal. Maybe they all do that. So yeah, have a listen, let me know, thanks.